Dana here. Welcome to Sew Learn Create. We are super excited today. We are doing our first collaboration, and it is with VIPcrossstitch.com. I was able to select several products from their website to create something, and they asked me to do an unboxing video, and that's what we're doing today. So let's get started. Here we go. Let's see. The first item is oh wow, the kit comes with all of the embroidery floss, and it is a stamped cross stitch, which I've not done before. So I'm super interested to see how that works. Open it all the way. So the floss comes like this. Looks like it's easily separated. Then it comes with needles, instructions, and then here's the stamped pattern. Oh, this is the Santa. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's a Santa ornament. You can just barely make it out. That'll be fun to do. Second one I got has a tassel. There's my floss, and it looks like they're on cards or something. That's kind of cool. More needles, and then oh, this is the bookmarks. So I got the butterflies. Looks like it has a key for all my stitches, and then a tassel for my bookmark. Of course, I got an owl because I love owls. So this kit looks like it's the same, has all this stuff in it. I'm gonna do this one and probably hang it up in my shop. And then I got this flower medallion. I thought this was just real pretty with pretty colors. Let's open this one up a little more. See if this kit is the same as the others. Looks like it has instructions for cross stitching on the back. And then a sheet. Oh, and here's my pattern to follow. Looks like it's kind of... And then it is printed on here. Oh, and this one comes on a card like this. There's the needles. These are really nice kits. And then here it is printed on there. I've done counted cross stitch in the past, but I've never done this stamped. The stamp is going to be kind of fun to do. There's that one. And then, yeah. The last thing I got were some wooden buttons, and I just thought these were really fun. Looks like they're just printed on little wooden buttons. There's gingham check and some dots, and there's a lot of them in this package. And I thought this was just really kind of fun and would work in some future sewing projects. So that's what I received. Let me kind of get it back together here so we can show you. So we've got the flower medallion, the owl, the butterfly bookmark with a tassel, and then the Santa Claus ornament. You can see kind of there. So this is really fun. I'm excited to do my first collaboration, and the VIP cross stitch items look very well made. The fabric is nice and thick for cross stitching, which if you've done some, the more sturdy your fabric is, the easier it is to cross stitch. So check back with Sew Learn Create, because I'll be taking, and after I create the cross stitch projects, then I'll be incorporating those in some different sewing projects. And so I'll tell you how you can take your love of cross stitch and incorporate it into your sewing projects. So check back soon.